Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're going over the Bluwhale Points token. Ticker symbol is BLUP. Now this token, it was just announced, just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, August 15th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Bluwhale is a Web3 intelligence layer that powers smart applications, AI agents, and models through resource orchestration, leveraging a model context protocol for scaling on-chain. Over the past years, Bluwhale has grown its AI network, a two-sided marketplace, to 4,780 enterprise accounts and 3,500,000 plus unique wallets, as well as processed 800 million plus wallets into a universal graph structure across 37 chains. While the Graph, Origin Trail, and Mine Network design similar infrastructure, their scalability for artificial intelligence is heavily limited by the number of speed of nodes of subgraphs that can mint and operate. With a total supply of 1 billion tokens, ticker symbol BLUP, this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. There's 18 decimal places on this token. So far they have 2,350 holders. You could find it on BSC scan. And this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, August 15th. This token is now available on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BLUP, and then simply just buy the token. In a world dominated by personalized digital experiences, driven by our preference for apps that truly understand us, the need for hyper-personalization is evident. However, achieving this level of personalization relies on the acquisition of millions of users and interconnected data points within the confines of Web 2 silos. To break free from these network monopolies and pave the way for future consumer-facing Web3 applications, fostering interoperability and user data collaborations is imperative. Enter Bluwhale, a decentralized personalization protocol designed to transform user and contextual data into a shared knowledge graph. Now, these graphs empower dApps, artificial intelligent models, and agents to personalize efficiently by training and combined user data networks. Now, they envision an ecosystem promises several advantages for end users, including control over personal data, user-centric functionalities, cross-platform communication, and preference profiles between applications, as well as active participation in the value creation process. And as a result, this network holds the potential to challenge and ultimately surpass the dominance of existing consumer monopolies. The data monopoly dilemma. In today's digital landscape, we find ourselves in an era where the internet is dominated by a small number of powerful corporations. These entities include prominent platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Amazon. They pose a significant threat to individual privacies and rights. They exploit user data and content within their closed networks, reaping substantial economic benefits in the process. And the concentration of power not only stifles emerging competitors, but also forces new businesses and users to become reliant on these platforms. Such dependency influences the flow of information, the distribution of money, and the way people are rewarded. The crux of this issue is rooted in how these dominant players hoard their data and leverage the effects of the isolated systems. So we help this here with the open user-centric ecosystems, with blockchains and dApps, the application personalized layer protocols, etc. So they say here their design principles for the upcoming wave of decentralized applications. They have a blend of data intensity and user-centric approaches, and this is paramount. Key elements must be implemented to create and foster user-focused data access layers, which includes interoperability, trust, fair market value, data availability, inflation and deflation, and more. Now, you can find all of these things listed on their document section to learn more about it. Now, they have a webpage, bluwhale.com, and by the way, blue is spelled B-L-U. And it says, your profile, your asset. Power the world's fastest growing artificial intelligence network with your identity. And at the top of their webpage, you can find documents, the white paper I was just talking about. They also have blog articles. They have node section products. You can sign in, create an account. They have a huge list of supporters, partners. SWI is one of them. Swiss Borg, Arbitrum, Wormhole, Momentum, GSR, Movement, etc. Cardano, tons of them. Now, if you want to join their Telegram, this is the community chat Telegram. It is at Bluwhale Official. Every time I say blue, by the way, it is spelled B-L-U. They have 74,691 members on there. 2,722 of them are online right now, and that's where you could chat with other community members. It says the #1 AI intelligence layer, turning your digital footprint into the most profitable asset, backed by, and then it lists a whole bunch of companies, even Oculus, Dragonfly, Guitar Hero, partnered with over 300 plus dApps, it says here. And then their Twitter, as usual, I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen, their X, and you can see they have a huge following. 264,300 Twitter followers, 1,214 posts, and a gold verified check mark. Has a link to their webpage right there, so go check it out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.